Hi, my name's Emily Kapkanis and I'm a member at the Assemblage.
I'm Gustavo. I'm part of the community Assemblage.
I went on this amazing impact journey to Puerto Rico with the Assemblage in 109 World that I'm so excited to share with you.
After the hurricane, there were around 1 million people still with no electricity.
Many people in Puerto Rico didn't have clean drinking water after the hurricane. What we did was learned how to install rainwater harvesting systems on people's roofs. They were in more rural areas and it was harder for them to get help. We're actually making a difference to make sure that these people have access to clean drinking water if another disaster happens. We help completely transform a school.
This project comes along by how the government has closed tons of schools. I especially feel the need that I cannot let that happen.
I think we gave it life. We put our heart there. We put our hands, there. We wanted to leave our mark in that school. We wanted to give them something that they will always remember we were there. We had the opportunity to meet the community, play with them, live with them for a while. I mean, we had the opportunity to share food and different activities.
Drawing as a kid was my outlet, so it's exciting to pass that on to someone else, and to watch someone get excited and get creative was really special for me. At the end of the whole thing, I gave her my pastels and she was just so happy about it, and it was just sort of just a nice moment for me. Actually, now that I think about it, I installed the rainwater harvesting system on her roof.
You come back with completely new perspective of life, and the way that you can relate to others.
I see hope when I involve myself in projects like this, and I see hope when I see my baby's face. So I really do see hope in art and in agriculture and in the community movements.
It was really special when we drove away, seeing the people dancing and just feeling like there's hope and that they can do it.
With no music, okay? They were just singing and dancing because they were happy.
All of them together were going to continue doing work.
Yeah, it was incredible. That moment was incredible.
The message right now for everyone is to question everything, because now it's a time for healing. Healing yourself, healing the community, healing your family. Everyone's looking for a healing space.
The Assemblage is about the outreach program. Like, that's what we want to do.
It's not about us, it's about the community.
Really, I feel honored and excited to work for a place that wants to do that and that wants to help people and wants to bring people together to make a difference in the world.
The future is communal.